Hi there, these comments are for RR. How you doing, buddy? And you're doing, it looks like, independent speaking practice today. And grab some water here. So the question is, what do you prefer, when do you prefer to take classes? In the morning, the afternoon, or the evening? Let's see how you did with this practice test.
If I have to choose among taking classes at morning, afternoon, or evening, I would pick classes at morning, and this is for two reasons. First of all, taking classes at morning saves me time. For example, in my freshman year, I had classes from 7 to 12. Therefore, I have the rest of the day to do my household chores and my homework. Secondly, because I am in my best mood. For example, in my sophomore year, I have classes both in morning and afternoon. When I finished the year, I noticed that the best grade were in the morning class because I was as fresh as a lettuce.
Okay, so let me see here. Let's look at. Yeah, my impression is a little bit below 3, right? That's where I'm thinking right now. Let's listen to it one more
If I
time.
have to choose among taking classes at morning, afternoon, or evening, I would pick classes at morning. And
Now, notice how you said if I have.
if I have to choose,
So, if I have, then I will, or if I had, then I would. So, be careful about mixing your verb tenses. So, go to Google. What are real, unreal conditions in English grammar? And see if you can learn about how to better control that grammar there.
among taking classes at morning, afternoon, or evening, I would pick classes at morning, and this is for two reasons. First of all, taking classes at morning saves me time.
Okay.
For example, in my freshman year, I had classes from 7 to 12. Therefore, I have the rest of the day to do my household chores and my homework. Secondly, because
Well, how does it save you time though? I don't get it. So, I mean, if you take classes from 7 to 12 or 12 to 5, you're still spending 5 hours. So, I don't really see how it saves you time. Maybe it's more convenient. You'd rather take classes in the morning, do your homework and your housework in the afternoons, but you could just as well do your homework and housework in the morning and take your classes in the afternoon. So I'm not quite sure how that relates, why that's a benefit.
I am in my best mood. For example,
Now, what if you said this, though? Taking classes in the morning saves time. You can say, well, if I take classes from 7 to 12, I'll save a lot of time because if I don't take a class at 7, I'll probably sleep in till 9, and all of that time between 7 and 9 will be wasted. If you explained it that way, it might work.
in my sophomore year, I have classes both in morning and afternoon. When I finished the year, I noticed that the best grade were in the morning
What? I'm not sure what you said there. Hold on.
class because I was as fresh as a lettuce.
Yeah, I didn't quite get that
If I have
100%.
to choose,
So you had some intelligibility problems near the end of the response. I'm going to score you 2.5 out of 4. I'm going to say 17 to 18 points out of 30 on this practice test.